Some people are saying, okay, oh, Aduke Gold died of operation. Maybe she did a surgery. So many informations around. So can you please clear the air on what really happened to Aduke Gold?
Yes, she was healed. She had cervical cancer, and she was taken to UCH in Ibadan. That's University College Hospital in Ibadan.
Okay.
And unfortunately, she died. But we've gotten the death certificate. So whoever is saying what is not, you should just stop that. Her daughter was healed. She had cervical cancer, and to the glory of God, she rested on Monday. That should be the 12th, if I'm not making a mistake.
Okay.
The 12th of August.
So definitely all information spreading around, they are all false.
They are false. You press me, I wouldn't know. It's always ideal that you get information from the right source. And I want to appreciate you for coming down, taking your time to know where she started from. She started from this church as a member of the choir, right within this auditorium, and she got to stardom. She's been our daughter, very faithful, server, and committed.